Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at Microsoft Office 365, specifically Word. If you don't already have a Microsoft 365 account, please take a look at my previous video. I'll link it in the description below. You'll only need the end of it. That'll show you how to sign up. Okay. So with that, we're going to get started. I've got Word here, so I'm going to open it up. Okay, so I've got the option of I can create a new blank document, or I can create a template using, the designs given, and I can use that and make it my own. Today, I'm just going to use a blank document. Go. Okay, so here we've got the normal options of what text I want, what font, theme, the size, whether I want it bold or italic, etc. Just your normal sort of options, which is brilliant. Okay, so then you've got your insert blank page, which is quite useful if you want to stop where you are on that page, and there's quite a bit of the page left, and you just insert a blank page and get started on the next one. Okay, so table, again, you can click on table. You can then choose your options, which I absolutely love, and make it my own, which is brilliant. I can choose the style. I can make it so the columns are a bit bolder, with the headings, and I love that. Okay, and that takes you to obviously a table tab, which gives you more options, which is brilliant. So if I go back to insert, I've got the option to insert pictures and choose a photo that's already on my device, or take a picture. Again, there are other options. I'm not going to run through everything today. If you want a specific video on certain tools available in Microsoft 365 Word, please leave a comment and I will create that. Okay, so we've got the option for draw. I don't use that very much personally. There's other ways to annotate things. Again, you've got your layout. You can change, say I want my page to be landscape. I can change that to landscape. Or I can create a page break, which gives me the option to start a new page, which I quite like. It's actually separated the table exactly where I had the cursor, so just watch out for that. Okay, and then I can go to review, and again I can check document. So if I put in here some random text, obviously we know it's going to underline in red. But if I click check document, it'll check the whole document. It'll tell me spelling issues and all issues. So I'm going to click on spelling. And obviously it does not like that word at all. It's telling me there's no suggestions. Quite often it will give you suggestions. So that's your spelling. And then you've got the view option. So you can zoom out, which I find quite useful in Office 365. Landscape is quite difficult with that because obviously it's a wider page, it shrinks everything. So I'm going to go to my layout again and just change that back to portrait. And we're going to go back to view. And actually I can zoom in slightly on that. I think it's brilliant. It gives me a sense of, not just having the whole page right across. It's personal preference, but so it's there, it's in the view option. And with that, thank you so much for watching my video. Please take the time to comment if you would like a specific video of how to do something, or specifically to Microsoft 365 Word if you want a little bit more examples, and I will happily do that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video.